Bonjour, welcome to French Diaries. Today we are going to start the verb series of 100 most important verbs in French. For your convenience, I have mentioned I have given the examples over here, and I have also mentioned the conjugation of these verbs in the description box. You can check that out as well. So let's start with être. Être is very basic and important verbs in French, which means to. Être, to be. Avoir, to have. Faire, to do or to make. Dire, to say or to tell. Aller, to go. Pouvoir, can or to be able to. Voir, to see. Savoir, to know. Vouloir, want, and devoir, to have or must. Let's repeat once more, and you can repeat after me. Être, to be. Avoir, to have. Faire, to do or to make. Dire, to say or to tell. Aller, to go. Pouvoir, can or able to. Voir, to see. Savoir, to know. Vouloir, want. Devoir, to have or must. Okay, let's discuss all these verbs with the help of examples. First one, je suis étudiant. I am a student. So if you found any problem in the conjugation of these verbs, I'll write the conjugation in the description box. You can check that out. Je suis étudiant. I am a student. Elle est médecin. She is a doctor. We don't put article before the profession, right, or the nationality. That's why elle est médecin. She is a doctor. Then avoir verb, j'ai un chien. I have a dog. Conjugation of avoir, j'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. So this is the first one. J'ai un chien. I have a dog. Second one. Nous avons beaucoup de travail. We have a lot of work. Nous avons beaucoup de travail. Right? Let's move to the third one, which is faire, to do or to make. Je fais mes devoirs. Devoir is homework. I am doing my homework. Je fais mes devoirs. I am doing my homework. Elle fait un gâteau. Elle fait un gâteau. She is making a cake. So the conjugation of faire is je fais, tu fais, il fait, elle fait. Nous faisons, vous faites, ils font, elles font. This is irregular verb. Elle fait un gâteau. She is making a cake. Then dire, to say or to tell also. Elle ne dit pas la vérité. Truth. He doesn't tell the truth. He doesn't tell the truth. Nous disons toujours bonjour. We always say bonjour or hello or good morning. We always say hello. Nous disons toujours bonjour. Nous form. Next verb, aller, to go. This is also one of the EW verbs, the conjugation of which is je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Correct? First one, je vais au musée. I am going to the museum. Je vais au musée. Est-ce que vous allez à la plage? Are you going to the beach? Plage is beach. Allez, move home. Est-ce que vous allez à la plage? Are you going to the beach? Next one. Pouvoir, which means can or able to. Tu peux nager? Tu peux nager. You can swim. The conjugation of pouvoir will be je peux, tu peux, il peut, elle peut, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, ils peuvent, elles peuvent. Correct? Tu peux nager. You can swim. Then, il ne peut pas venir. He cannot come. Il ne peut pas venir. He cannot come. I hope this is clear. Let's discuss next verb, which is voir, to see. Je vois un oiseau. I see a bird. Oiseau is bird. I see a bird. Nous ne voyons rien dans le noir. We don't see anything in the night or in the dark. Rien means nothing. We don't see anything in the dark. Next one, savoir, to know. Elle sait parler français. She knows how to speak French. And this is a rule that we conjugate only the first verb in a clause. This is the second verb, that's why it's a base form. So any verb after savoir will become know how. For example, elle sait parler français. She knows how to speak French. Other example, nous ne savons pas la réponse. We don't know the answer. Nous ne savons pas la réponse. Right? Next, vouloir, want. Je veux un café. Je veux un café. I want a coffee. Ils veulent partir tôt. They want to leave early. Ils veulent partir tôt. Last form. They. Ils veulent partir tôt. Again, you have conjugated this verb. Other one will be base verb or infinitive form. Last verb, devoir, to have. Don't confuse it with les devoirs, which is homework. This is a verb, devoir. Tu dois étudier. You should study. You should study. As example, nous devons partir maintenant. We should leave now. Nous devons partir maintenant. I hope these verbs are clear. So this is the first part of the video. Please follow French Diaries for all the verb series, right? And if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share French Diaries. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.